Why you don't need a home office when you're living full-time in an RV. Hey, my name is Shaya and I live full-time in an RV and I run a successful business renovating vintage campers and RVs. Most of the time I'm out in the field working with these two hands and fixing up campers and then posting all that content on there for you. But running your own business means a lot of computer work and a lot of stuff behind the scenes. And living full-time in an RV with a family and pets gets a little bit chaotic. And it makes it really difficult to do voiceovers and videos like this. So I take all my planners, work, and computer on the road and go to random places to get my work done. And different locations also helps with my ADHD brain. I need the surrounding noise around me and I need to be able to people watch like I'm doing right now. I can't work in the quiet. So most of the time I'll go to my gym and then work in the cafe over there. But sometimes it's fun for me to pick random places to work out of on my computer. And today we are at Ikea doing computer work. This is a great place to work, especially a home design business of any kind, because you're surrounded by inspiration. And the food's really cheap. So if you're living in an RV full-time or a tiny home or a small apartment, get out and go to fun places to do your work. Follow from a random RV living tips and some repair stuff too.